Suit has been filed asking for an injunction against the state's decision to opt out of federal unemployment assistance. Our Jay Burr live in studio to explain what this could mean for Arkansans moving forward. Jay.
Well, Kevin, this lawsuit, like you said, basically wants to have the state keep sending out those extra federal dollars for unemployment until the program is scheduled to end in the first week of September. Kevin DeLebon is the lawyer for a lawsuit filed against the state for opting out of the federal unemployment assistance program. He says his 5 clients specifically have had added hardships since Arkansas stopped accepting those funds at the beginning of July.
Don't know how they're going to make their bills. And you can imagine the kind of worry and fear you experience every day, not knowing if you're going to have enough to eat or if you're going to have some place to live or take care of all the other things you need to take care of.
In the lawsuit, DeLebon cites 2 specific state laws in alleging that the state cannot opt out of federally funded unemployment assistance programs.
And these are federal unemployment programs. They're fully funded by the federal government, even the state's administrative costs. And so the state doesn't have authority to just break that law and withdraw from the programs as they've done here.
Unemployment numbers are well below the national average in Arkansas at 4.4%. DeLebon says getting people back to work through these means is unnecessary, especially when people have to qualify for unemployment benefits.
Everybody has strict work search requirements, and if you refuse a job that you're offered that's suitable work, you lose benefits.
The hope is to get those benefits reinstated for all roughly 70,000 Arkansans who would qualify for those federal dollars.
More and more people have called us who are newly experiencing poverty. Since the cutoff of these benefits, dozens of people have called us talking about the desperation that the state's actions have caused them.
Now, we did reach out to the governor's office today. They released a statement saying, quote, federal law allows a state to opt out of the additional compensation. This was important for Arkansas to get people back to work, and it made no sense for the taxpayers to pay an additional $300 per week for someone to stay home when there are employers across Arkansas looking for workers. If legislative support is needed, then that can be done, but the action I took was based upon the constitutional authority I have in leading the executive branch of government. Donna?
All right, thank you.